You know, Hashem is truly amazing. Hashem is in control of every single thing in our world, including the weather. Each snowflake that falls was created by Hashem on purpose. Wow. And did you know that no two snowflakes look alike? Well, today I'm going to teach you a really easy and fun snowflake craft. And you're going to make your very own snowflake patterns. Wow. All you need are some very simple things: a pencil, a pair of scissors, and a piece of paper. That's it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our piece of paper and fold a triangle as far as we can get it on the paper and push down the sides of that triangle. And now that we made that triangle down, we can cut off the extra piece of paper, the extra rectangle that's on the side sticking out. We don't need that piece anymore. Now that we have our triangle, we're going to fold another triangle. Fold it in half. And make sure to push down that edge. Great. Now take that triangle and put it upside down and fold up one of the sides about half the way up. Then turn it around and fold the other paper about the same up along the other side. So you should have a shape that looks like this. Then we're going to cut off those sticky out parts to make one full triangle. Okay, now we're going to draw on the shape of our snowflake. So we need a long side. We're going to draw a shape like that, a little higher, another shape like this, and then a shape like that. So try to draw some kind of shape on your triangle, but leaving this side untouched by pencil. Now we're going to cut up all our shape out of the paper. And now you can open up your paper and see the snowflake shape that you created. Well, there you go. Look at that. A beautiful snowflake. Really fancy. And those will be very pretty to hang either from your window or tape them to your door and make your house look like a winter wonderland. Great job.
Rabbi B loves hearing from fans. Please send any fan mail, drawings, or questions to rabbibmusic@gmail.com. Welcome to RabbiB.org, your one-stop shop for everything Rabbi B. On my site, you can find out more about me, watch the latest video, or check out past episodes. Check out all of Rabbi B's books, albums, upcoming concerts, and events. I even have activities and coloring pages too. Easily contact me with a question, comment, or just to say hi. And you can do all that with the comfort and safety of one website, RabbiB.org. Let's make being Jewish fun and exciting.